Right, so back from a trip up to Mansfield with Steve last weekend, and as you can see the truck's filthy. So I'm going to wash it. And one of the things we always struggle with is how do you get all the mud and dirt out from underneath the truck? Well, I came up with this solution. This is my underbody car wash. And it's basically some lengths of PVC pipe, you get it from Bunnings. And I made a square on the end of it and a T-piece here. And on this end, I put a hose connector. So what happens is the water comes down here through the pipe and around the outside of this square piece here, and I'll move this in a minute, there are holes around the outside and the water sprays up underneath the car. I'll give you a demo in a minute. Here it is. There you go, genius, huh? All right, so we've got the hose over here on the grass across the road from the house because I don't like getting the muddle on the driveway. And we'll hook up the hose to the back of the underbody washer. I already should patent the name. And off we go. If I turn this on, you get the idea. And this is great because you can get right underneath the body, right up under the gearbox and everything else in the suspension. And I normally just spend about 5 or 10 minutes just washing underneath. Get all the mud out. It's good because it gets all the mud out into the engine bay and all the components you can't really get to. So there you go. It's my underbody car wash.
And of course the other advantage of the undercar body wash is not only can you get all the mud and gunk off underneath your car, when you do some beach driving you can get rid of the salt water too. So there you go, maybe you'd like to build your own.